So welcome guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And good morning Dubai. This is my first day here in Dubai. So ato i-continue itong vlog ko. I-continue my vlog since last night lang minabot. Pero last night lang kami dumating dito. So no, hindi pa kami nakapag-enjoy here. Our first day here in Dubai. So here, good morning guys. I greet you. Good morning. And finally, we're here in Dubai. So we don't know what's next to us. So kailangan keep the faith. Good morning, Dubai. So lalakad kami mamaya, kakatapos ng maligo. Hindi pa ako nakapag-coffee. And pasyal daw kami mamaya sa since this is our first day here. So tara, labutin natin yung Dubai ngayon.